Dear students, in this class now we are going to learn about the second poem from 10th class. The most interesting poem, the name of the poem is Quality of Mercy. This beautiful poem is written by William Shakespeare. One who learns about the English literature, he must learn and hear about William Shakespeare. He is called as the heart of English literature. He has written many novels, poems, sonnets, and comedies and tragedies. This beautiful poem is taken from one of the most interesting comedies of William Shakespeare is The Merchant of Venice. The Merchant of Venice. Here, before going to learn about what is the exact substance of the poem Quality of Mercy, first we have to understand about the central idea of the comedy, The Merchant of Venice. In The Merchant of Venice, this beautiful poem, there are two characters. One is Antonio, and another one is Shylock. Shylock and Antonio are two best friends in the Venice. Venice is the name of the market or the business area in England. The Merchant of Venice, that title is given to this comedy, which gives us the immense pleasure to learn about this concept, which is the most applicable to the present life concept. Here, we are going to learn about The Merchant of Venice, the beautiful the comedy of William Shakespeare. Antonio and Shylock, they are two best friends. Antonio was Roman Catholic. He was a Catholic, but here he was a Protestant. Here he was kind, but he was a hard. He was kind because both of them were moneylenders. He was also moneylender. Moneylender, that was their profession. Their profession is moneylender. Both of them were giving money to the people, those who are in the distress. The difference between these two personalities, Antonio was understanding the troubles of the people, and he was never forcing the people to give him the maximum interest. But in the contrast, Shylock was a man who was expecting a lot of the interest from the people. His only intention was to get more profit, but Antonio's interest was his money has to help the people. He could not have more interest on the interest what he was getting from the people. That's why the people were loving Antonio because of his kind-heartedness. He was kind-hearted. But he was cruel-hearted or hard-hearted. He was a cruel-hearted person. Means the problems of the people, that was not his matter. His matter is only to get interest and to get more profit. So here, Antonio was liked by people. Shylock was hated by the people. Because of the nature. People were hating Shylock, but the same people were liking Antonio. The difference between these two gentlemen caused for the hated party. Shylock was loving very much his friend, didn't like the response of the people on him. That's why Shylock started to hate Antonio. But he didn't express directly. But he was having the conspiracy against. But he didn't express directly. But he was having the conspiracy against Antonio. Here, the problem raises. Antonio had a friend. He had a friend. The name is Bassanio. Antonio had a friend. His name is Bassanio. Bassanio was an orphan boy. Bassanio was depending upon Antonio for everything. Antonio looked after his friend as if a real brother. Bassanio was taking all kinds of help from Antonio. And here, Antonio naturally falls in love. Love with a beautiful lady, Portia. He falls in love with a beautiful lady who had lost her parents in the race. Both of them were attracted to each other and decided to marry. Bassanio expresses his wish to get married. Then the question comes. Bassanio never expressed before her he was an orphan boy and also poor class. Bassanio acted as if the rich class before Portia. When both of them decided to get married, it was no question of money between their true love. When it is a question of the marriage, Bassanio comes and asks some certain amount from Antonio. He asks money to Antonio. Antonio, who invested his huge money for the trade. When Bassanio asked him the certain amount, Antonio always he was giving the money to Bassanio. But at last, when Bassanio needed money, Antonio couldn't have. That's why Antonio now signs Bassanio to Shylock. So, dear student, now we are going to learn about the merchant of Venice to understand what is the real fact about the quality of mercy that poem is given to 9th or 10th class. To understand the quality of mercy, one should understand first the background of this poem, where the exact situation comes. Why did this beautiful poem extract to the 10th class? First, we want to learn about that. That's why now I am going to discuss with you the exact moment of the use of the quality of mercy from the Merchant of Venice. Actually, the story, this is a background. Actually, the story concentrated on the love story of Bassanio and Portia and the enmity between Antonio and Shylock. When Antonio was unable to give money to Bassanio, he sent his friend. He was a friend. He sends his friend to his enemy. The secret enemy of Antonio was Shylock. So, this is the real picture of the substance of this beautiful poem, the quality of mercy. Shylock was waiting for such chance. Always he was expressing the hatred qualities on Antonio because people were liking Antonio because of his kind-heartedness, but people were hating him because of his cruel-heartedness. his cruel hardness. It was not liked by Shylock. That's why Shylock was having long enmity on Antonio. When Antonio sent his friend Bassanio to get some certain amount, it was for reason 3,000 ducats. 3,000 ducats. It is the name of the currency in England. Shylock becomes very happy by getting that beautiful chance to get enmity on Antonio. Shylock says, yes, I am ready to give you the money, but you should come here with your friend Antonio. Bassanio returns to Antonio and expresses, Shylock is ready to give me money, but he is expecting your presence before him. Antonio and Bassanio go to Shylock. And Shylock says that, and my dear friend Antonio, I got the invitation from you. Bassanio is expecting 3,000 ducats from me. I am ready to give you money, but I have a certain condition. According to the condition, this condition plays the important role to understand the concept of the quality of mercy. The condition is, if you cannot return money within a given time, then I will be having the ultimate power to cut off a pound flesh from any part of your body. If you agree to accept this condition, then I am ready to give you money. The condition is to cut off a pound flesh from Antonio's body if he relates to repay. So this is the central idea of this beautiful comedy. On this condition, the condition is very crucial, but Antonio had paid on getting the more profit from his investment. He made the invested on the ship. He had sent some ships for trade. Antonio believed that within that time I will get more profit from my investment and I will become more eligible to repay the amount of Shylock in the time. So on the basis of this condition, Antonio puts the signature and gets money. Bassanio becomes more happy and he returns to his beloved and both of them got married. After the marriage, Bassanio and Portia started to spend their most valuable time and he also forgot the time of giving money. Antonio was counting the days. Antonio was waiting for the arrival of his ships, but it was his misfortune. The ships couldn't return. Shylock, who was aiming to get revenge on Antonio, he was waiting. He was counting every day, every time, because his only intention was to get a revenge on Antonio. Then the time comes. It was about a few days. Then Antonio writes a letter and sends letter to Bassanio. Bassanio, who was spending his precious time with Portia. He receives the letter from the messenger and he reads that. Then he understands. He understands the crucial condition of Antonio. He expresses everything what happened before the marriage, before Portia. Portia understands the situation, the fact of Bassanio's position. Then she accepts to give him the money. Bassanio collects money from Portia and he rushes towards Antonio. Both of them, Antonio and Bassanio, go to Shylock to repay. When they reach the place, Shylock refuses to get money, and he says that the time which was given to you is delayed. So now I am not ready to get money from you. The question that raises to the enemy. Shylock repeats and he remembers the condition. He had put the condition to Antonio and Bassanio: if they become unable to repay the amount in certain time, Shylock will be having the ultimate power to cut off a pound flesh from Antonio's body. So now Shylock stresses on cutting off a pound of the flesh from Antonio's body. Both Antonio and Bassanio tries to convince him, but Shylock couldn't understand and also give importance for the words of Antonio and Bassanio. Then the disobedience causes for taking the case to the court. The case goes to the court, because his only intention was to get a revenge on Antonio. Then the time comes. It was about a few days. Then Antonio writes a letter and sends letter to Bassanio, who was spending his precious time with Portia. He receives the letter from the messenger and he reads that. Then he understands. He understands the crucial condition of Antonio. He expresses everything what happened before the marriage, before Portia. Portia understands the situation, the fact of Bassanio's position. Then she accepts to give him the money. Bassanio collects money from Portia and he rushes towards Antonio. Both of them, Antonio and Bassanio, go to Shylock to repay. When they reach the place, Shylock refuses to get money, and he says that the time which was given to you is delayed. So now I am not ready to get money from you. The question that raises to the enemy. Shylock repeats and he remembers the condition. He had put the condition to Antonio and Bassanio: if they become unable to repay the amount in certain time, Shylock will be having the ultimate power to cut off a pound flesh from Antonio's body. So now Shylock stresses on cutting off a pound of the flesh from Antonio's body. Both Antonio and Bassanio tries to convince him, but Shylock couldn't understand and also give importance for the words of Antonio and Bassanio. Then the disobedience causes for taking the case to the court. The case goes to the court. The court due. Before the due, the case goes. One side, Antonio and Shylock. The case goes to the court. The due is the judge. Before the judge, both are present, Antonio and Shylock. The judge asks Antonio, do you have any lawyer? Antonio becomes helpless in that time. He could not have a single penny to pay the lawyer. That's why he says that I don't have any lawyer to argue on behalf of me in this court. Shylock was feeling victorious. because he learned about the condition of Antonio, and Shylock was sharpening his knife, and he was ready to cut off a pound of flesh from Antonio's body. Then a person enters. So that is the symbol of this body of mercy, that poem, the experience here. A person enters into the court. That is in the custom of a lawyer. That lawyer is ready to argue on behalf of Antonio. A lawyer comes. A lawyer who is not appointed by Antonio. A lawyer comes and stands before the judge and presents all his documents to make argument on behalf of Antonio against Shylock. Now, that lawyer takes the agreement paper or the condition paper and he reads before Shylock. He reads all the conditions and appeals for showing mercy on his most lovable friend. So here, the quality of mercy poem is described. So it was appeal of the lawyer on behalf of Antonio before Shylock. What is the impact of showing mercy on the weak? That is expressed here. Dear student, I hope you have understood this concept and enjoyed. Thank you for watching this video, and the rest of the poem will be continued in the next class. Thank you, Vandana.